In this video, I want to walk you through a 111 trade I've just done on Hut Mining 8. As you can see here on the scanner, it's up 12% on the day. And what we're going to do is go through what has happened to Hut, why I've opened a 111 trade, and how that is constructed using OptionsStrat. Now, firstly, if you guys want to work with me one-on-one and level up your trading, you guys can book a free call. Link is down below. We'll jump on for half an hour and then we'll discuss your kind of income goals and where I can help you level up your trading. Now, I've had a number of interests since I did the interview with John on his channel, Theta Profit. So if you guys haven't seen that, go check that one out. And I'm probably going to have to potentially close it down for a little bit because I don't want to have too many clients because I want to focus on the clients that I've got. But again, if you guys want that free call, link is down below in the description. Now, you guys have also been asking me to do a video on Option Samurai in a bit more details. I've talked about it in a number of videos, but not really gone through it. So it's probably the first time I'm kind of actually showing it. So I am building a dedicated video to walk you through my naked call scanner, my put scanner, my strangle scanner, all that kind of good stuff. So make sure you're subscribed and you'll look at that. Again, Option Samurai is a complete game changer for me. There's a 2-week free link down below. You don't need to put a credit card in. You might as well get it or just wait for the video to come out first and then get your 2-week trial. And once you've played with it, I just bought the annual plan. I just didn't even worry about the cost because you make it back straight away from the trades that you're going to get. So here's a little sneak peek behind the scenes of my naked call scanner. Again, it's nothing revolutionary, but the one that really caught my eye is Hut Mining 8. And again, it's up 11-12% on the day. It was up 22% pre-market. And if we have a look at the chart, well, you can see here that it has created a pin bar and again rejected its monthly December pivot, which is why I love to keep pivot points. And again, if you just look at the pivot point back in October, you can see that price is using that as a support. I love pivot points. I'll do a separate video of that. But my point being, it's gone up 20 odd percent. It started to go down. So it's a good thing I got in this trade when I did. And I want to shoot this video for you on the day I'm doing the trade. I don't normally do midweek videos, but I felt like it was kind of a relevant topic to talk about as this is developing live. And if we look at what's gone on here, surges 25% as Bitcoin miner seals AI deal with Anthropic and FluidStack signs a 7 billion data center lease. Now, for those who know Hut 8, they'll know them as a crypto miner, like a Riot, like a Mara, which it still does that. But unlike Riot and Mara, is trying to diversify its portfolio away from kind of crypto mining and to leverage the computing power that they've created over the last few years into supporting kind of the AI boom. So I think that's what it's all about. I'm not really interested in terms of what it is, but what it has done, as you can see here, it's the IV rank of 87 is really, really high. So we need to harvest and exploit this volatility. And this is 70% away. I didn't go as aggressive as this. I went a bit further down in terms of the 111 and how that's constructed. So this is the 111 on OptionsStrat. Again, you can get OptionsStrat, it's free down below. I do have the paid version. It again, like with all these tools, when you treat options as a business, you kind of need these tools to kind of really help you to visualize things. So it gives me a bit more details on there. But effectively, you can do everything what I'm showing now on the free version. You just don't get things like break even and all these other good things inside that. So I placed this trade not so long ago, and you can see here that I'm pretty much flat or down $1.50, and I have a break even of 58%. So let me just walk you through what this is. So I've got the January the 16th, which is 30 days away. It's a bit lower than I would like. I ideally would like to do a 45-day trade. I could have done the February cycle, but I kind of thought that this would go in my favor pretty quickly so I can get out of this position quickly. So what we've got, I'm doing this on the call side. Now, majority of my trades recently have been on the call side because I find that they're easier to manage, and when things go against you, it generally happens when the market is absolutely crashing. So, you know, the famous saying is that the market doesn't crash going up, which is kind of true with a lot of these stocks that I'm trading and selling calls on the upside. So what we've got a debit spread, which is the 50-55. And just to put things in perspective, I exclude this for now. The cost on this is $94 to go get a $5 widespread, which is pretty decent if you ask me. And then if I include this back on, so then I've sold the 60 call to finance that debit spread and also open it up with insider net credit. So the net credit is 65.50. It's not the best credit. I look to aim for about $1 per contract. I've done this for 2 contracts so I can hit my $1 plus goal, which is absolutely fine. I've got the margin to do so. My loss is infinite because, again, as you can see here, Hut can go to the moon, but that's same for the downside or the upside. So again, this is undefined risk, but the way I manage these positions with such a high break even and a high probability of profit, I feel there's relatively little risk inside this trade. So obviously my max profit is going to be if Hut expires within the trap of between 50 and 55, and also the short option expires worthless, so I will also collect the 65.50. So therefore it is $565.50 maximum profit. Probability of profit is 90%. It is flirting. It is a live trade that is live at the moment. And you can see here my break even's at 58%. So, Hut has to go up from the current price. It's already gone up 12%, or what is it, like 12, 13% today. Had to go up an additional 58% after that. So this is why I'm harnessing that volatility. I can go quite far out, and the way I manage these positions will hopefully get me into my profit target a lot quicker. So then you got your unrealized loss and gain. You can see it's ticking up plus $8, minus $5. At this point, I'm not really fussed on what it is. We still got a lot of time left on this option, and even if it does go up slightly, that's kind of what I don't want it to go up. I just want to collect my 2 contracts at $130 odd. But if it does go up, this is where this hedge comes in to kind of protect me if the worst case was to happen. So that's the overall trade. A lot of questions I generally get asked on this is, when do I manage this position? So I manage positions at 21 days to expiration. And that's because of the gamma risk. So gamma is the expression of how quickly or fast that delta changes. And after 21 days, your gamma risk starts going a lot higher. So therefore your delta risk is a lot higher. So what we're trying to do here is find that kind of middle spot, sweet spot ground, which again, Tasty have done all the analysis on this. 21 DTE in and around that mark is where we do it. And the reason why I like 21 DTE also is it's very easy to know when 21 days to expiration is. It's the last Friday of every single month. So 21 DTE is kind of the way to do it. And depending on what happens, I will either if I've got a profit, I will probably close it, even if it's 10%, 30%, etc. Or obviously, if it gets to 50%, I will look to close the position, even if it's before 21 DTE. And if I'm in a negative, so let's just say at the moment here, this is 21 DTE and minus $6 down on the trade. What I will look to do is roll the position out in time into the February cycle and do that for a credit. Now, there's a number of ways to do that. Again, I've got videos on this channel that walk through the 111 roll if the worst case was to happen. But I don't have too many of those videos, and that is by design because I've got such a high probability of profit. It rarely happens. Like, I can close out of these positions without having need to roll. So again, I've got lots of videos on the 111 or options trading in general and how I utilize it to grow my income. Again, utilize the free call with me, see if we can work together if you want to level up on your trading income, and I shall see you guys in the next video.